Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned question number 4 related with exercise number 6.3 related with chapter number 6, class 10 mathematics related with statistics. That question number 4 was related with finding the mean for group data. Today we are going to solve question number 3 related with exercise number 6.4, which is important question. It tells that calculate range, variance and standard deviation for the following discrete data. We have a set of data given for x value, x is the midpoint and f is the frequency. Five values are given, and that has find these three terminologies: range, variance and standard deviation. So move towards solution, SOL solution. So first we are going to find the range for the set of given data. So range is calculated by the formula highest value and minus lowest value. This is actually the range formula, lowest value. Highest and lowest value will be taken from the values of x, because x is the midpoint which derived from the class limit and the class boundaries, and the range is actually the difference between the class limit and the class boundaries. So from here, from the x value, we have 5, 10, 11, 13 and 15. In these 5 values, the highest value is 15, so put over here 15. And here is minus sign after this lowest value. Lowest value is 5. In these 5 values, 5, 10, 11, 13 and 15, so put 5 over here. So it gives us 10. So the range of the set of the given data for the group data is 10. Now after this data is they find variance. So for variance we draw the given table. So let's suppose this is our x values. Let's suppose this is x. So the first value is 5. The second value is 10. The third one is 11. The fourth one is 13 and the fifth one is 15. Now after this we have a frequency. So writing frequency over here in this given table. So let's suppose this is frequency f. After this we have 2, 3, 4, 1 and 5. These are the frequencies. So first is 2, second is 3, the third one is 4, the fourth one is 1 and the fifth one is 5. This is FO. Now the formula for the variance is equal to sigma f of x square divided by sigma f minus bracket sigma f x divided by sigma f whole square. This is the formula for the variance. So we have x and f as given. We are easily calculated f of x square and f of x from this set of data. So first we are going to find the product of f of x. So let's suppose this is table, and here we take f of x. F of x means that product of frequency with midpoint x. So multiply 2 with 5, it gives us 10. So here we can write 10. After this 10 multiply 3 gives us 30. After this 11 multiply 4 gives us 44. And after this 13 multiply 1 gives us 13. After this 15 multiply 5, it gives us 75. After this we are going to find f of x square. So first we are going to find the square of x. Finding the square of x. So let's suppose here we take x square. So squaring 5, it gives us 25. 5 multiply 5 gives us 25. Squaring 10, so 10 multiply 10 gives us 100. Squaring 11, so 11 multiply 11 gives us 121. Squaring 13, so 13 multiply 13 gives us 169. Squaring 15, so 15 multiply 15 gives us 225. Now after this we are going to calculate the product of frequency with x square. So let's suppose here we are going to find the f of x square. So let's suppose this is f of x square. So f is 2 in first case and x square is 25. So 2 multiply 25 gives us 50. So f of x square in the first case will be 50. After this we are going to calculate f of x square. So f is 3 in this case and x square is 100. So 3 multiply 100 gives us 300. After this calculate f of x square. In this case f is 4 and x square is 121. So just multiply 121 with 4, it gives us 4, 8 and 4. So 4, 8 and 4, it gives us 484. After this we are going to calculate f of x square. In this case f is 1 and x square is 169, so it will give us 169 by multiplication. Now after this f is 5 and x square 2 to 5, so 2 to 5 multiply 5, 2 to 5 multiply 5, it gives us 25. It gives us 10 and 2, 12 and 1, so 10 and 1, it gives us 11, so it gives us 1, 1 and 2, 5. Now we are going to find the summation of f of x square. Summation of f of x square means that addition of all these set of data. So 300, first we are going to add 300 and 484. So 300 added 300 with 44 gives us 584, 684 and 784. So it gives us 784. 584, 684, 784. Now after this add 169 with it. So it gives us 3, 1, 14, 15 and 1 and 8 and 9. It gives us 953. And 953 plus 50, it will give us 1000 and add 3 with 8. So 1003. Now add 1125 with 1003 to get the required f of x square summation 1, 1, 2 and 5, because we already add 169, 484 and 350. So it will give us 8, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 1, 2 and 8. So the required f of x square is 2128. So our summation f of x square is 2128. Now we are going to find the summation of f of x. So we already find f of x, so we just add it for finding the summation. 30 plus 10, it gives us 40, and 30 plus 10, it gives us 40, and 40 it gives us 80 plus 10, it gives us 90, 90 plus 70, it gives us 160, 160. Here is 5, 3, it gives us 8, 8 and 4, it gives us 12. So 8, 12 with it, so it gives us 172. 172. Summation of f of x is 172. Now putting the values for finding the variance. So f of x square is 2128. 2128 divided by 6. Summation of f. Summation of f means add all the values of frequency. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 and 9 plus 1, 10 and it gives us 15. So summation of f is 15. So put 15 over here. Minus f of x, summation of f of x. F of x is 172. So put 172 over here. Divided by summation of f is 15 and whole square. First divide 172 with 15, it will give you a value and taking the whole square. Now after this divide 2128 by 15, it will give you a specific value and then subtract these values. So first we are going to divide 2128 by 15. So it will give us 15 multiply 1, 15. After this 6 and 2. So 15 multiply 4 gives us 60. And after this 2, 8. So 15 multiply 1 gives us 15. After this 8 and 5, it gives us 13, 0 and point. 15 multiply 4, 5, 6, it gives us 90. 15 multiply 7 gives us 1. 15 multiply 6 gives us 90, and 15 multiply 7 105, and 15 multiply 8 gives us 120. So the required answer is 141.8. 141.8. So put 141.8, 141.8 over here, minus 172 divided by 5. So we divide them by each other. So 172 divided by 15. So 15 multiply 1, 15. After this it gives us 17 minus 15, 2 and 2. After this multiply 1, it gives us 15. After this 7, 0 and point. 15 multiply 4, it gives us 60. And after this move on. So it gives us 11.4. 11.4 and whole square. Now taking the whole square, and so 11 multiply 11, it gives us 121. So the nearest value is 123. So then subtract this value 123 point something from 144. So it will give us 17, and so it will give you a value nearest to 18. So this is the variance. Now after this we are going to find the standard deviation. So the formula for the standard deviation is actually under root of variance. Under root of variance. Our variance is 18, so put over here for finding the standard deviation. So under root 18 can be written as 9 multiplied 2. So 9 under root is just 3, and 2 will inside remain in the under root. So the value will become 3 into under root 2. So this is the standard deviation. So with this the question is completed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about statistics or information handling. Thank you.